All right, so we are going to start immediately. All right, let's start with narrative comprehension. So in narrative comprehension, all right, narrative is when a story is being told. There will always be this thing called the literal understanding question. All right, let me just grab my pen. Give me a second, guys. I'm so sorry. I think the pen is not here. Could you just give me like 10 seconds while I go and grab it?
Sure.
Sorry, guys. I took the opportunity to grab myself a drink as well. Sorry. All right. Okay. Sorry. Sharon, you said in Myanmar, right? Which school are you currently attending?
I'm in public school. It's called Pride ISM.
Okay. I've been to Myanmar before. Beautiful place.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but the weather is really hot. Yeah, I visited Myanmar. Even got your traditional clothes to wear. Kind of cool.
Which year was it?
2 years ago, I think. Yeah. Why?
I see. No, I was just asking.
Just after the borders were. Hang on, which year was that? Oh crap! I need to go and look at my phone and my photos, and then from that I will be able to. Let's see. All right, guys. Sorry. Let's share screen. All right, so I'm gonna write now, and then you'll be able to see it hopefully. All right, so okay, this is good. This is very good. All right, so narrative comprehension. So you will notice that in Sec 1, your English, the standard of English is a lot more challenging. All right, and we have this, and this to me, this is the easiest question, literal understanding. All right, what do I mean by literal understanding? Hang on, let me push this aside. What do I mean by literal understanding? When you have literal understanding questions, hang on. All right, when you have got literal understanding question, all right, it tells you to look for information that is stated explicitly. All right, it is very straightforward. It is the easiest question in Set 1 of narrative comprehension. All you need to do is what are the details asked in the question and then look for the answer. So I like to I like to tell an analogy. I'll share the analogy later, but let's try to start doing this a little bit. So questions which normally ask for literal comprehension. I'm learning literal understanding in school now. Yeah, Tammy, that is the syllabus. So we follow the syllabus. Who, what, when, where, why, how. We call it the 5, 1 husband, 5 wives. Have you heard of that? Have you heard of that?
Yeah, sure.
We call it the 1 husband, so sad. But this naughty husband has the 5 wives. All right, 1 husband is a how, and the 5 wives are why, where, when, what, who. All right, these are the questions, question words commonly used. All right, let's look at this. Hang on, let me go through this very quickly. All right, the scarcity of swans and the intermittent availability of swan feathers only drive the price higher. I repeat, the scarcity, which means the less, all right, because scarcity means we do not have sufficient. So the number of swans that are very few today and the intermittent availability, that means it is not always available, but it's available once in a while, of the swan feathers drive the price higher. This intensifies the pressure on the declining swan population. For individuals who travel extensively to see swans at bird parks, they are bound to be disappointed by the dwindling population of swans left. What makes the price of swan feathers go up? Anybody want to tell me?
Like the swan population is decreasing, probably.
Nope. What is making the price go up? You're not getting it. All right, let's look at this. Hang on. What is making the price of the feathers go up? Look at the word price. What is making the price higher?
The intermittent availability.
Sorry, what?
Dispatch.
What is it, darling? You're right. Correct. The intermittent availability and one more. Look at the word and. That means there's two things, right? Intermittent availability. Yes, mother? Thank you. And the scarcity of swans. So these are the two things. All right. So we've got the scarcity of swans plus the intermittent availability. All right. I want to stop right now and go through an analogy that I want to teach you. All right. Okay. I've got Tammy, I've got Margaret, and I've got Sharon. Okay, so I'm going to do this. I will start with Sharon, then Margaret, and then Tammy. All right. I'm going to tell three of y'all that I went to the beach yesterday and I lost my watch. I repeat, I went to the beach yesterday and I lost my watch. Tammy, I lost my watch. All right. And it is a lady's watch. So that's all I tell Sharon. Not Tammy, sorry, Sharon. Sharon, it is a lady's watch. Can you please go to the beach and look for it? I come to Madhav and I say, Madhav, I lost my watch in the beach. It's a lady's watch and it's gold in color. It is a lady's watch. It's gold in color. All right. And Madhav, go to the beach. Now come back to Tammy and I say, Tammy, it is a lady's watch. It is gold in color. It is Olivia Burton. I'm not sure where's my watch. It's an Olivia Burton watch. And it's got a white face. It's got a round face watch, and there's flowers at the face of the watch. Okay, let me ask you, who has a higher chance of finding the watch?
Tammy.
Why?
Because
She
I
has
got
more description of the watch.
Exactly. So now listen very carefully to what I'm going to say. Tammy has got more description of the watch, so therefore her search is going to be more narrow. I repeat. The beach is a very big place. Sharon, Madhav, and Tammy, they're all searching for my watch. But Sharon only has one information. It's a lady's watch. Madhav has two information, lady's watch, and it's gold. But Tammy has more information. So the more information you have about the watch, the narrow your search is going to be, the higher the chance of you finding it. Are you all getting that analogy? Now we are going to compare this to the comprehension and the question. So a literal question is like the watch. The passage is the beach. If you read the question and go to the beach, you will never find the watch. You need to read the question. You need to pick up features of the question. Get it? If you read the question, blah, 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 and you go to the passage, you search and you search and you search and you search, it's very difficult to find it. But if you read the question and you pick up features of the question, which is the watch. So the question is the watch. Oh, the features of the question is it's a gold. It's a lady's watch. It's got a white face. It's Olivia Burton. It's got now I got 5 features of the watch. Now when I go to the beach, it's easier to find. I repeat, the beach is the narrative passage. The literal question is the watch. Are you getting it? Am I
Yes.
making sense? All right, now let's go back to this. So not Tammy, Sharon, you were very quick to answer just now. It was a dwindling population because you did what? You were being, you said, oh, why did it go up? You immediately went to, I need to find this. Let's go to the beach and look for it. No, you need to stop and analyze the question. If I can teach you one method, it is to analyze the question. What am I looking for? I'm looking for what is making the price to go up. What is making the price of swan feathers to go up? So I'm looking for the word price. I'm looking for the word that is going up, and I want to know what. Why is the swan feathers going up? I look. Oh, it's the price. It's going higher. Perfect. The answer could be anything before or could be after. Then I look at the word and. And means two things. Pencil and pen. Then I realize scarcity and intermittent, and I get the answer. Are you guys getting what I'm saying? What I'm doing right now is I'm modeling my thought process. I'm showing you how I'm thinking through the question. All right, a lot of teachers don't do this, so you're very lucky that I'm doing this because I'm teaching you how to think and derive the answer. Give me a thumbs up if you understand what I'm saying. Perfect. Okay, so every literal question that Tammy, Mother, and Sharon is going to answer from now on, you cannot have an excuse to get it wrong because it is the beach and the watch. The watch is in the beach. The answer is there. You need to find out what are the features of the watch so you can look for it in the beach. Got it? All right, let's do this. All right, we've got lots of slides to cover, okay? Let's do this very quickly. Next slide. A survey has reported that 80% of the teenagers aged between 13 and 19 own a mobile phone. Given the availability of these technological gadgets, has this helped youths communicate better? Or have these impish devices caused a rift in our families? A research has shown that unfortunately, technology has made people worse communicators. An obscene amount of time is spent on using the computer or playing electronic devices has caused the users, in this case teenagers, to become somewhat reclusive, not interested in communicating with others. So the question is, why has technology made teenagers poor communicators? Let's follow my method, analyze the question. We want to look at the question why. Why has technology made teenagers poor communicators? All right, so we are looking for something that the teenagers are communicating poorly. And the question is, why? All right? All right, take a look. Anyone can get the answer?
Is it because an obscene amount of time is spent on the computer instead of studying, but playing games, and they're not interested in communicating with others?
All right, thank you. Rather than not interested, because not interested in communicating with others tells you that you're a poor communicator. So what is the answer here? You're actually looking at why is it that teenagers have become poor communicators? Because they spend an obscene amount of time on computer or playing electronic devices, making them a recluse. A recluse is someone who doesn't want to talk to anybody. Therefore, they have become poor communicators. So amount of time spent on using the computers and remember all electronic devices, making them to be a recluse, causing them to be a recluse. Therefore, they have become poor communicators. Are you guys getting it? Thumbs up?
Yes.
All right, so the next one, I am not going to teach you. You're going to type the answer for me. Is that clear? All right, type the answer for me. Example 3. On the other hand, technology has helped facilitate learning. Some 49% of students worldwide stated that they've taken an online course in the last 12 months. The ease of access to online learning lets anyone log onto the learning platform anytime without leaving their home. This, what we're doing right now, is an example. Moreover, according to a study conducted by the Economist Intelligence Unit, 90% of the leaders in the education sector say that students are more imaginative and creative thanks to technology, as well as 80% more productive. Why are students able to learn online more easily? The answer is right there. Don't type it to, hang on.
Oh, I think I type it in everyone.
Yes, correct.
Sorry.
It's all right. But it's okay, she's given the answer. Why? Okay, let's analyze question. Always, I know Sharon got the answer, but I want you to analyze the question first. Why are students learning online easily? All right, look at the word easily. We have got the ease. Ease. Okay, why is it learning? Because they have access to online learning and anyone can log into the platform anytime without leaving the home. Is that your answer, darling?
Yes.
Lets you log on to the platform anytime without learning. Yes, thank you.